But we are happy to work. Thank you. President William Ruto. Minority leadership in the Senate. Mr. William Ruto is the chief commander of the abduction squad. We demand that all 82 youth who have been abducted in the last 3 months be released and returned to their families immediately. Some actually been abducted as recently as yesterday. We also demand that all 29 missing youth whose whereabouts are unaccounted for be accounted for forthwith. We also call on our international partners to note these serious crimes against humanity being perpetuated by the Kenya Kwanza regime and to add their voice of condemnation.
Young people have become the juicy part of it all for William Samoei Ruto. As we close the year, he has closed the year with Stephen Bisi, Billy Mwangi, Peter Muteti, Bernard Kafuli, Kibet Bull, and Kiplangat from Kiabu. All those among others who were picked last night.